Bruh. I can finally take a bath. It's been like a year I haven't took it up. Now me clean. Now it's time for me to go on a toilet and watch some SpongeBob. Bruh. What do you want, bro?
Just wanted to show you some nice job.
Bro, can't it wait? I just busy RN like for real.
Of course no. Join this gang, now.
Check out new. Impossible. Oh. Glass bridge. Robux obby. Bruh. Not again. I knew it wasn't free Robux. Skull. So what do I do now?
Hi.
Hello.
Can I be your best friend?
Bruh. Why?
'Cause I'm cool.
Oh really? If you're cool, let's see your avatar drip.
Oh my god, bro.
Oh, man.
For real. Also, how to get out of here?
I think I know. I have plot armor, son.
Oh, that's pretty good, I think. Bro. You are sussy. What do we do?
I am a pro here.
Oh, really? Then up in that door.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
What next?
1 hour later.
Try.
I will do what your dad did.
Bruh. Why he bully me? Now. Bruh.
I'm stuck.
Wasn't you a? Oh.
Before dawn, make your choice.
I guess I know. I experienced it during the Second World War, a few years ago.
Jump.
Some time later.
I have luck.
You have plot armor.
HN. No ick. HMNN.
Cure yourself, Dingus.
Yay. HM.
Final chapter iron.
Truth.
Obvious, innit?
Wow, it was pretty nice trip. Now I want to get my Robux.
Mr. White, I learned telekinesis. I know who gives Bobok.
Oh, really? Question mark. He'll follow you, pro. Ugh. Sue. What now?
Jerk.
There is your free Robux.
Wow, it really happened. I think it's my Christmas gift from God.
JK again, noob.